So
we're in Jordan's white room of misery because everything that comes in here, he did like. Did you do Kate's car? And like he was like, that's had paint, that's had paint, that's had paint.
Yeah.
I was like, so I know how people feel in here. But he has got a splitty in.
Yeah, what?
I know, a 550 horsepower splitty.
Right, let's just.
I don't know whether I'm talking dirty or.
Oh.
Davey, you've got all giddy over this.
Mate, this has done things to me.
As did your secondary school form master.
This thing is insane. What do we know about it?
550 horsepower. It's got 4 wheels.
It's got Porsche wheels.
I'm not even going to say out loud how much he's spent on it. But
there's a decent McLaren in there.
There's monies. And all I can think of when I see the steering wheel is the old Lee Evans sketch. I drive the bus.
Let's have a look then.
It is, you've got to be fair, the finish is immaculate.
Yeah.
The clutch pedal. Do you remember the old Chuck Norris jokes?
Yeah.
You don't like. Chuck Norris doesn't punch people, he just throws people into his fist kind of things.
Yeah.
Like when you press the clutch, you're not disengaging the engine from the gearbox, you're disengaging the world from the gearbox. It's like the world's heaviest clutch pedal. And race car, like I've played with race car. Honestly, I've got to use 2 feet to press the clutch.
Bench seat.
Bench seat with eye gougers. That wouldn't be allowed these days. Like how stupid was, what was this, the 60s? Like they put a radio behind you. Wouldn't get away with that now, would you?
You'd have to do a reach around to change the channel.
No, I can't be a reach around in a bus. So, what have we got? Handbrake is here. It's on DTA engine management. It's got a rev counter, like an old NASCAR style one.
Sorry to interrupt. I'm going to get some food.
Oh, right.
Does anything want anything?
What are you getting? Where are you going?
Get some food.
You going Burger King or you going McDonald's? Do the viewers want anything? Put in the comments below what you would like to eat. Where are you going, George?
Nowhere, to leave a key.
All right. It is lovely.
Look at that
It's
steering
got a Berg 5 gear knob. Do you want to see me knob?
Yeah.
I'm holding the camera now.
Well, you got
Davey,
I won't focus.
you're fired. I can deal with
That's
this
it.
myself.
Happy days.
And it's done 1.7 miles. What more do you want?
Thing
Like?
is insane.
Honestly.
I can.
Jesus. So, what have we got? We've got cylinder head temp, because it's air cooled. We've got oil pressure, oil temp, boostings, air versus fuel, because I think in engine tuning you need more fuel than you do air. No, more air than you need. I don't know. You need both, basically. So, the way we start cars here is with a squirt of brake cleaner and a lighter. It's a long week.
Yeah.
It's late on a Thursday.
Yeah.
You're not getting anything serious out of me, alright?
Good.
It's got an auto meter RPM rev thing. It is cool.
It is awesome.
It is cool. Not my bag,
Yeah.
but it's cool.
Right. Show us the engine then, dear boy. Oh. Hang about.
Oh, here we go. Look, it's even got a greedy boost controller. It has gone all Paul Walker, this van has.
Yeah. Nice.
Why is Abby Titmus ringing you?
Right.
You've never let that on.
Show me the engine. She said.
Let's have a look up your skirt. Ice tank for the charge cooler. Shall I hold this candle of a light? So that's the water tank for the charge cooler, which is here.
Wow.
So then twin throttle bodies, Look, that's the blow off valve. That's the blow off valves we use on the twin turbo builds. Look how cool is that?
Well, it's pretty serious.
Got like a trick coil on it. That's like a new edition coil. So you just give it. Is it wasted spark? Hang on, I tell you. How many Y's it got? 3. Yeah. So wasted spark. So it fires 2 cylinders at the same time, whether it needs it or not. What else has it got? The world's biggest fan motor. No, what is that? That's the. It's got to be a bloody generator or something, innit? I never did the Beetle thing. Did you do the Beetle thing?
No.
I never got it. Oil tank. What have we got? And then you can go in this hidey hole. Hidey hole!
Oh, there it is.
Fuel pressure, then he's got a drain over here for like race control fuel, so he's got like a drain hose, and then you can go into the engine management and activate the fuel pump. A crank sensor, don't see that on a Beetle engine or a bug engine, with a clock on it. Look, it's got numbers on it, so you can tell the time. So right now it is 80 past 60. And then a little tiny exhaust pipe. I don't think it is.
Shall we,
I think that's a wastegate exhaust pipe.
I think you're right, because I think the main item is just here. Oh, it's all wrapped underneath as well.
I don't know what I'm doing now. Jordan's going to have to do this bit. I've got the lid stuck. It's even got water meth, mate.
Mate.
Yeah, screamer pipe, so the exhaust comes out the side, remote oil filter housing. It is clean under there. What is that tank? The lowest part of the car is like... What is this? What is that? Oh, ducts. That must be oil cooler. Yeah, air ducts.
Yeah.
Ah, cool.
It's a proper job of that.
Yep. I think it's pretty cool. I would tell you all the details about it, but I haven't got a clue. I just know it's a bus. Davey says it's something called a splitty. Chris, the owner, is like gonna go mad. Oh. Door went the other way. Look, leather check straps. Like Rosie and Jimbo.
Look at it.
Finish is immaculate, isn't it? Like the cabinet finish.
Spare wheel. That's doing well.
Fridge, cupboards.
Yep.
Oh, back of a radio, storage box, Miller's oil.
Oh, there's a
I
little
know.
hook on it, look.
Yeah, there is a little. And break something, and
Oh! There might have been some beers in
I
there.
know. Chris, didn't put any beers in, mate.
Yeah,
It's cool, isn't it?
awesome. Right, next project then.
No. Unless you're going to put a V10 in it.
Hey.
V10 bug. V10 bag. I think he said he'd done like a 10-2 at pod in this? No,
yeah.
sorry, 12-2.
Right.
10-2. Yeah, 12-2 at pod. It's tiny.
Yeah.
It's tiny. Like, look at it. Like, the two wheels, like, barely clear the ramp.
Well, something a bit different.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I've got to figure out how to put this rear lid down, so we'll do that off camera.
On that note,